take a picture of Mary taking a picture of everybody. Wait for Judy. She's coming. Actually, well, not for me. Everybody's colors are
Hey, Mayor, who Monroe'd you? Did you do that
I
to
painted that
yourself?
one. Come on, let's go.
You just put your face in there?
Is that really me? I don't know.
We're all smiling, we're having a good time. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year,
Happy New Year,
and
happy
Happy birthday.
How come everybody's talking?
That was sad. Her women.
Here's Judy.
Hello. Do I? You
Yeah.
could see if I have any
Let me see if I have any
licorice in my teeth.
No, you're good. You have really nice teeth.
Okay.
You have really good teeth. Do you have any
Isn't
licorice in
it a
your
cute
teeth?
look?
That's really,
What about you?
Licorice in your teeth. They're taking pictures of teeth.
We're
We're gonna put this on a
This
dental.
is gonna be on. Conga, do you have any licorice in your teeth?
Well,
Did it come out good?
Judy, you don't look very happy.
Should we do another?
oh, I was
I'll
in the middle of,
take one more
I
picture.
was